All right, so this is how you generate with your prompts in the Eazl app. So one option is to generate by creating a prompt and then adding a placeholder to your prompt. And what this will do is allow you to generate unique results for each of the different files that you put in as placeholders. And you'll see that because it'll say generate with some number, and that number will be the number of files that you've added. And you can also use this to send data into your prompt through AI API calls. And each time you generate, it'll give you basically a tailored result based on what you've sent there. All right, and now once you've generated, you just click here to see your results. This will automatically pop up the first time you generate, but if you ever want to go back to your prompt and see your results, that's how you find them. You just click that little result button, and then you can see, once you're in a result, you can see things like the details, like how much it cost, how long it took to execute. You can rename a result. This is helpful if you're going to be working with your prompt but have a bunch of different results. And then if you ever want to get rid of them, you just click these little check boxes to delete any results you don't want. Now you can also collaborate on your prompts, which would enable other people to access and update your prompt. They would have to have their own balance to generate, because whoever basically clicks the generate button, that's whose balance the app will deduct from for generating with the different AI models. So the generating costs are charged to the person who requests it. You can also duplicate your prompts, which is pretty handy right here. And that's useful because, you might say that this is a prompt that has a nice structure to it, but you want to tweak it a little bit for some different case. And then once you are in a result thread, like if you're working with one of your threads that you've started by generating, you can always retry. If you don't like some result, you might want to retry with a different model. You just click this little button here and then select the model, and then you can retry. This is really useful because you never really know which model is going to give you the result that you want all the time. And also you can change models mid-thread. So like if you're chatting and you're saying, oh, this is a really simple question, you might want to downgrade to a little more affordable model. Or if this is something that you think is really good for a particular model, you can just switch to that model mid-thread and then ask it that question. So that's how you basically generate with your prompts and work with your results.